Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best dual extruder 3D printers, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. JGMAKER Artist D Pro 3D Printer Dash. This 3D printer boasts auto-leveling, independent dual extruders, direct drive, and a 32-bit motherboard for precise printing. With megawatt power, it ensures stable performance and quality prints. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Twotrees Blue 5 3D Printer Kit Dash. The Blue 5 kit offers a Prusa i3 design with a 3D Touch PI magnetic sheet, dual drive extruder, and a heated bed. Its dual Z-axis setup enhances stability, while the Bluer Plus model delivers reliable printing. At number 3. Newest IDEX 3D printer FDM Dash. Featuring an independent dual extruder IDEX system, this printer offers high precision and a large build volume. Its full metal frame ensures durability, while the Climber 8A DIY kit allows for customization and versatility. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Creality K1 Slk1 Max 3D Printer Dash. The K1 and K1 Max models boast impressive printing speeds and a max flow hot end. With a dual-gear direct drive extruder, they excel in handling various filaments and complex prints. At number 1. Creality 3D Ender 3v3 SE Printer Dash. The Ender 3v3 SE stands out with its Sprite direct extrusion and faster printing speed. Equipped with a dual Z-axis, IU display, CR touch, and optical enhancements, it ensures smoother printing and easier operation.